Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation solution from here. And what we have here, take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 40 on this side. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, is same thing as p log m. This here we have x log 4 equals to log 40 on this side. The next step here, divide both sides by log 4. That is, divide this side by log 4. Also, divide this side by log 4. So this here, log 4 cancel each other here. And this becomes x equals to log 40 over log 4. The next step here, we can write 40 as 4 times 10, which implies this becomes x equals to log 4 times 10 over log 4. The next step here, this follows law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, it's same thing as log a plus log b. This here we have x equals to log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. Then, next step here, we separate this into two fractions. As is, we have x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. So this here, log 4 cancel each other here. We have one left, which implies x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 4. Then, next step here, we can write 10 as 2 times 5. So this here we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 5 over log 4. As this also follows when we have log a times b, which is the same thing as log a plus log b. So this here we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. Then also here we can express 4 as 2 times 2 is 2 squared. Then what we have here becomes x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 2 square plus log 5 over log 2 squared. Then we apply the power law of logarithm here. 2 comes here and also here. Now we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 2. That is, from here, log 2 cancel each other. This becomes x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 here plus. Here also we have 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. That is, here we have x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2, same thing as 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 over log 2. Then, next step here, we apply change of base. When we have log a over log b, this same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then next step here, we bring this together as one fraction, and we have x equals to the LCM here, that's 2. Here we have 3, then plus log 5 base 2. That is the value of x here we have 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Then let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Then what we have here becomes 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 is it equals to 40 on this side. Then from here we can write 4 as 2 square, which is raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 is it equals to 40 on this side. And this power multiplies. 2 here cancelled each other. We have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 is it equals to 40 on this side. And this follows when we have a raised to power n plus n, which is the same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is it equals to 40 on this side. Then 2 raised to power 3 here, that's same thing as 8 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is the same thing as b. This here we have 5 is it equals to 40 on this side. Then 8 times 5 equals 40, which is equals to 40 from here. That is, left hand side equals to right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. Also join our membership package for access to more videos and exclusive perks. And see you next class. Bye for now.